welcome to AFT 24/7 Noida. I am Aditi Joshi, and it is the day one of the Global Journalism Festival Noida. And the stalls are going on. The campus's ambience is electrifying right now, and I'm standing at one of the stalls called Snack Treat. And the stall smells so nice that I couldn't wait to come here. And they have a variety of snacks. They are not sticking to just one genre. They have something sweet. They have something savory. So there's something for everyone right there. And I'm talking to the person who put this stall up. Hi guys, how are you all doing and what are your names?
Hadia.
Hi, my name is Maya.
And you are? Prastuti. So guys, how was your experience of putting this stall up? How was the response? क्या चल रहा है?
We were having a lot of conflicts before putting up everything together. We genuinely had a very negative thought that things might not work out.
Oh.
But we're doing good right now. We're having a lot of sales. A lot of people are coming. Yeah, we're having fun. The responses are very
Responses
good.
are fun. You're having fun, right? So what made you decide that we are going to put this stall up and we are going to make this strawberry chocolates, BYOBs, and what was the thought behind?
We're all first years, so we wanted a new experience.
Okay.
And yeah, we
Something
put up
related to
stalls.
business also.
Okay.
We have
Yeah.
to explore more how the industry works apart of being tech. We are basically from the AI department.
Okay. Okay. So you wanted to have a little experience of this business also. Okay, nice. So how was the experience? मजा आया? AI से हटके कुछ किया?
काफी कुछ.
काफी कुछ किया. अब AI में ज़्यादा मजा आ रहा है इसमें.
I still prefer AI. But this is fun. As a part-time thing.
This is a part-time thing, of course. So, what are your price ranges and what all are you selling?
Okay, so we've got chips chart. You can select either of the two chips variety that we have.
Okay.
We're selling it for 80 rupees. So we'll combine vegetables and sauces together and we'll serve it to you.
BYOB type.
Right. Then we've got chocolate strawberries covered with
Everyone's
chocolate.
favorite. Yeah.
With 3 types of sprinkles. We've got hearts for Valentine's week.
Demonstrating
We've got
Valentine's Week.
silver beads and
Wow,
golden flakes.
nice. Very pretty and very innovative, I must say. They're not just selling strawberry dipped chocolates like everyone else. They're selling these interesting toppings as well. Great. And you have corn chaat.
Right.
Okay. So what is your number one selling dish?
For now, we've got strawberries as our number
Strawberries.
one, and then corn is competing as well. It's a tough battle.
It's a tough battle between the two. Yeah. Okay. What would you give to someone who's coming to your stall for the first time? What would you recommend them to try?
Definitely the strawberries.
Strawberry chocolates. They're so in season, and it is the Valentine week going on. Of course, everyone's crazy for strawberry chocolates. And I'd like to know, running a stall is not that easy. You know, there are many hurdles, and setting up also.
Right.
What were the biggest hurdles that you faced?
I feel like the biggest part. In fact, we're 6 people running one stall.
Okay.
So I think the biggest point is that you have to trust your partners while you're working with them. You have to trust them with their whatever their responsibilities are. And yeah, teamwork always.
So how was the trust amongst this team?
I have faith in all of them.
Okay. Do you two agree?
Yes, of course.
Yes. Okay. Definitely. डर के बोल रहे हो यार सच में थोड़ा I see a little fear in your face. Okay, great. And I would like to know how are you managing the finances? What are the pricing of the dishes and finance कैसे manage?
The chips chart is for 60 rupees. The strawberries are for 120, and the corn we've got 2 varieties. So the normal sweet corn is for 50, and the peri peri one is for 60.
Okay, who is making it? Who is the chef right here?
Everyone.
Everyone.
Everyone's doing their job.
Everyone's making something.
Yes.
Okay, guys, great. And what are your expectations from this fest? There are 3 more days to go. What are you expecting?
More profit.
More profit?
Right.
Wish you all the best.
Thank
Hope
you.
you make much more profits. And your stall looks great. I wish you all the love, all the luck.
Thank you.
You're watching AFK 24/7. I am Aditi Joshi with video journalist Vedant Erin. And keep watching AFK 24/7 for more such videos.